In this video, I'm going to show you how to send pictures or videos in TikTok comments. So in your TikTok application, just tap on your profile. So I'll be showing you an example. So I'm gonna click on my post and then see if I have any comments in here. And once you have comments in your videos, and when you try to reply with them with pictures or videos, here's what you can do. So just tap on the video icon, and then you can now go to your gallery and upload a photo. So I'll just choose randomly because this is for example only. So just go ahead and select a photo and then post it for everyone. So you just have to change the only me to everyone so that your comments will be on public and then they can see that you commented using a picture. So just wait for it to upload, and then there you go, it's already in your comment section. Now let's also try to comment a video. So just go ahead and click on the video and then click the play button. So we can sample this for 1 second, and then once you're done, just tap on next. So and again, just post it online, wait for it to load up. So as you can see here, I already uploaded the pictures and the video. So you can also try this method, guys. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.